Toronto police chopper performing a key role in a rescue operation on Lake Ontario tonight. Chris Chryseal was on board his Sea-Doo on Lake Ontario. He ran into engine problems, and fortunately, he had his cell phone with him and was able to call for help at about 7 p.m. But the light was soon fading, and boats dispatched from Toronto and Peel Marine units were having trouble locating the drifting boater. The police chopper was called in, and they found him in about 15 nautical miles offshore and quickly guided the Toronto Marine Unit rescue boat to his location.